ちょっと待ってて。Oh, hello everyone. Today I introduce my Japanese toilet. Oh, it's like a cold washlet and electricity and wash water keep. Oh, this is water line in it and electricity line also. Oh, home back. Oh, let's open. And let's see it. Oh, Nissan calendar. And oh, this is control panel. And how to introduce? This is hip. Oh. Oh, stop. Oh, this is water legs. Oh, strong and right. This is. Oh, this is right. And oh, stronger. Oh, and this is in front. Oh, back. Oh, adjust. And this is. Oh, move. And this is massage. And this one is okay. Oh, it's double. And strong. Oh, no. Oh. And this is for lady. This is for lady point. This is for lady. Another one. Oh, and this is air. Oh, hot air. Oh, this is hot. This is time. And menu. Oh, some menu. This is oh, this is adjust water temperature. Oh, sitting temperature and air temperature. Oh, some temperature adjustment. And you finished. Oh, usually I use at first and move. Oh, okay. And air. Okay. And and the end. Next. Water and please see. Oh. Oh. It's clear up myself and lighting. Oh, light. Oh, at last. Clean myself. Oh, that's great. And goodbye. Oh, it's a great. Oh, thank you very much. If you visit to Japan, oh, it is very interesting, but it is difficult maybe. Oh, thank you very much.